Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the bottle so the sticker adheres and lasts. Clean with warm soapy water to remove grime and old adhesive. Once rinsed, wipe the area with isopropyl alcohol to remove oils, then let it air dry for 5–10 minutes. Make a light alignment guide using a pencil or low-tack tape so you know exactly where the sticker will sit. This prevents crooked application. Once done, position the sticker near the guide and get ready to apply from one edge. You should peel the backing about halfway to control placement and keep the adhesive clean. Align the exposed edge with your guide, press the center first to set the anchor point, then smooth outward toward the edges with a credit card or squeegee to expel air bubbles. For curved bottles, warm the sticker gently with a hairdryer on low to make it more pliable. Make sure to hold the dryer several inches away. Once the sticker is mostly adhered, peel the rest of the backing and repeat smoothing until flat. You finish by ensuring long-term adhesion and addressing any small issues. Apply a clear varnish, laminate, or spray sealant if the bottle will meet water or frequent handling. This protects edges. If a bubble appears, pierce it gently with a pin and press the air out toward the puncture, then seal the area. Make sure the bottle cures upright in a dry spot for about 24 hours so the adhesive fully bonds. If peeling occurs, reheat and press the edge down firmly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.